And we are recording. First ride in this 2018 Lexus
LC500.
Quick backstory. This is my brother. We served together in Iraq, and in a place where you see the ugliest of people, sometimes you actually get the opportunity to see the best in a stranger. And it's a bond that some families don't even have. So it's something to never take lightly when you find the opportunity to find somebody who is a kindred spirit that you can call brother, not only friend, but brother. This gentleman drove up 3-4 hours while I'm away from my home in training, and we haven't seen each other since my wedding in 2009.
Yep.
So it's been 12 long years, going on 12 years next month. And it's like we never missed a day, like we never skipped a beat. All right, enough of that mushy stuff. Y'all know I'm a car guy. So this is a naturally aspirated V8.
Oh yeah. 398 pound-feet of torque, 470 horses.
He says went in at about 4,400 pounds.
Yep. It's kind of heavy.
The art in this car. This car is truly a work of art.
So you go left and down for drive.
Left and down for drive. Steering tightens up.
Take it back up.
Yeah, a little bit quicker this time.
I know you want to.
The LC for Lexus, would it then really stand for like luxury coupe?
Yeah, that's what this is.
Okay. Because I remember the older versions that had SCs,
Sports coupe,
LS.
luxury sedan.